Don't we often look at our flaws and see, oh my God, I've got so many of these problems with me. Only I know it. And with all of these flaws, how can I ever do something that I've always wanted to do? Hey, listen, we all have flaws. So instead of feeling less than because of your flaws, let us own them and see those flaws as opportunities for further development. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an interior designer, a motivator, an entrepreneur. I love sharing beautiful things with you. So here I am with something interesting today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I'd love to share more. So one of the most beautiful examples of this concept comes from the Japanese art of Kintsukuroi. Yes, you know, when a piece of pottery breaks, it is repaired with gold, highlighting the cracks rather than hiding them. This makes the pottery even more unique, it makes it more beautiful, and you know what? It symbolizes that our flaws and our imperfections can add to our beauty and value. Yes, that's true. You know, I came across this beautiful book called Flossom by Georgia Merck. And you know, she talks about embracing our flaws and turning them into our strengths. I personally found these ideas incredibly powerful in my own life. So I decided, why not I share 3 things I did to overcome and embrace my flaws. And this is how I did it. So 1, recognizing your triggers. You know, when we recognize our triggers, it allows us to control how we react to them. I realized that certain situations would make me feel inadequate and stressed. By identifying these triggers, I was able to take a step back and choose how to respond rather than react impulsively. It's like gaining control over the steering wheel of your life. Point number 2, being open to others' points of view. Yes, it's not easy to accept others' point of view because you've thought in terms of some ways of doing things and thinking for so long. But you know something? Being open to others' points of views helped me to learn and grow. I used to struggle with taking feedback, honestly. But I learned that listening to others' perspectives can provide valuable insights. It's not about agreeing with everything, but about being willing to see things from a different angle. This openness has enriched my understanding and helped me improve in ways I never thought possible. Point number 3, understanding that transformation is an ongoing journey. Yes, it is so important that we constantly try to learn and grow. It's a choice, but an important choice to make. Embracing your flaws isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous process. I've learned to see every setback as an opportunity to learn and grow. Each day, I make the choice to work on myself, to embrace my imperfections, and to strive for personal growth. Even making this YouTube video, trust me, was not an easy task because it is all about technology and learning how to do it all. But for me, I took it up as a challenge and I said, no, I am going to learn it and I'm going to work on it. And here I am sharing my thoughts with you. So remember, just like the Kintsukuroi pottery, our flaws can add to our beauty and uniqueness. Don't hide them or feel less than because of them. Own them, learn from them, and let them be part of your journey to becoming the best version of yourself. Thanks for watching. I hope this Kintsukuroi video has been helpful to you. It has helped me to think about my flaws and embracing them and growing with it. See you soon in my next video. Till then, I believe in you. I love you. Take care. Keep smiling.